So you're looking for a desk, and you're looking at 1,000 of them on Amazon, and you just don't know which one to buy. Well, I found this one, and I think it's pretty cool, and I want to show you. So I purchased the Seventable Computer Desk, with its LED lighting, 5 drawers, and its raised monitor stand. The desk arrived in a decent sized box, and it wasn't too heavy at all. So let's start the unboxing process and show you what's inside. So as you can see, there's the instructions, and everything is nicely packed inside that box. Plus, everything is well labeled and marked, so there's no second guessing. So let's just get this box unpacked and put away the garbage. I'd set a time lapse up to show the process of setting this desk up, but because it was so quick to do, well, there really wasn't much of a time lapse. Like I said, everything is well labeled, and the instructions are pretty clear and precise, so it takes no time to set this desk up. So here you can see the LED control panel underneath the raised monitor stand. And before I set up the fabric shelves, here's a look at the metal framing that they slide onto. And just like that, the drawers are done and they're set into place. I really like the nice clean look of the gray fabric, and these drawers have ample of room for all your office supplies. The 39-inch desktop gives you plenty of room to work, while not taking up too much room in your office. The entire desk seems to be made of really nice materials that I think is going to last a long time. And for the price point, I think it is very worth the purchase. As you can see, there's tons of room for notebooks, papers, pens, anything you need. And as for the LED lighting, they give you lots of colors and modes to choose from, so there's a lot of variety. Personally, my office has a movie horror monster theme, so I'm going to stick with the green LED lighting. Again, for the price point, the build quality, how easy this desk was to build, the amount of storage, and the LED lighting features, this desk is a 10 out of 10. Honestly, it hasn't disappointed me, and I don't think it would disappoint you. Highly recommend.